Hi, everyone. Uh, so today is 14th of December, 2023, and right now, the time of recording this video is 12:54 p.m. ET Eastern Time. It's a good day, and I'm quite happy. There is reason. Uh, like everyone else, I was also quite optimistic that market will at least reach to 252 for one more time. Apparently it did. It did reach 253, and yesterday there was a quite reversal and quite a good reversal. And after 12:30, I guess. Sorry, after 11:30 yesterday, it was kind of going up, and there was a huge movement at around 2 o'clock. And as we all know, there was a Fed meeting. Mr. Powell he conducted the meeting yesterday. And the good thing is, at least he said that it's the recession, inflation was quite in control, and I think it's the rate hike is at least in the pause. They took a pause, so it was quite obvious that market will move up today, at least for today. I'm not sure. As you all know, it's you cannot really guarantee anything about the stock market, but most of the YouTubers who make videos just like me, I kind of follow them. So they were also saying that market should move up today. And it should, for the Tesla, especially for the Tesla, it should at least go 252. And yesterday, I also mentioned that. So let's just start. So yesterday, it closed around 239, and today it started from 240 or 241-ish level. And the first candle is very greenish and healthy and bulky green candle as expected. And after that, around 10 o'clock, 10:05, there is another sign of movement. And after that, another green candle. All this green candle is like 400 or 500 volume. And at exactly at 10:30, there is a tea green candle. And if you look closely after that candle, it's quite obvious that so many people just took the profit and got out of the market. I actually took profit to on 247, sorry, 246.70 something. I sold my shares and took the profit. And because I did not want to take chance, I did not want to take risks. Let's not be so greedy. But so many people actually took profit, I think, at 249 level. That's why the candlestick looks a bit like a top signal, a top sign. But another thing is this huge green candle actually told us that market not going to go down so easily. And market actually at around 11 o'clock, it came down and it reacted along the VWAP line. It's a very good reaction. 11:15, there is another candle. It's a beautiful candle, and it actually signifies that the market will move up higher. And the market ultimately reached 252, not only 252, it actually reached 284-ish level. Let me give you the precise number. The highest was 253.87. I actually took some short position at around 253.55 anyway. And right now, market is actually going down because so many people are obviously they're taking the profit and they're getting out. So the question is from here, the market, where it might go. So the thing is, it was very good that market actually went up, and uh, but from the beginning, I also noticed one thing that investors were not that optimistic. Like sometimes when the market is very positive, investors are at the in the morning, few candles actually shows that it's exploding, but that was not the case entirely for today. I think it was quite obvious that it will reach 252, and I'm not too sure all the people will take the profit and get out of the market, and then market will go back to 231 or 239. I don't know. I'm not so sure, because right now at 1 p.m. there is a huge red candle I can see. It's quite huge, like 322 the volume is right now. So I'm not sure. I'm quite sure that it will not crash at this moment. It's well above the VWAP line. So tomorrow, let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. I still think there is a possibility that it will cross 253 tomorrow, or maybe next week, and reach to at least 256 or 257, maybe, because it will not crash just like that. I don't think so. I think it should at least go a little bit higher, or at least again touch 253. So let's see what happens. Thank you so much for watching.